Did you accidentally overwrite a file and lose important changes? Recover any previous version in OneDrive with just a few clicks. I'll show you exactly how to access version history, from selecting the file to restoring an older version. So let's start. First, locate the file you need to restore. Head over to your OneDrive and find the document, spreadsheet, or whatever file you're worried about. Now, click the circle beside the file. That little circle on the left side of the file name tells OneDrive, hey, this is the one I want to work with. It's a simple first step, but it makes everything else possible. After selecting the file, look up at the top of your screen. You'll see a row of icons appear. And right there, click on the 3 dotted line that appear in the top. That's your context menu. Think of it as the gateway to all the special options for that file, including the one we're after. Now, from that menu, choose Version History. This is where things get really good. OneDrive has been quietly saving snapshots of your file every time you made a change. So even if you've been editing for days or weeks, every single version is stored right here. Now you'll see a list of all saved versions. They're usually sorted by date and time, with the most recent one at the top. Each entry shows when that version was saved, and sometimes the name of the person who made the change. This is incredibly helpful if you're working on a team and need to see who messed something up, or if you just need to go back to how things looked yesterday. Click any version to preview its content. This is your safety net. Before you commit to restoring anything, you can take a look at what that older version actually contains. Just click on it and a preview will open up. This way, you're not blindly hitting restore and hoping for the best. You get to see exactly what you're getting back. Once you found the right version, restore it. And here's the really important part. When you click restore, OneDrive will make that version your current file. But don't worry, it doesn't delete anything. It simply replaces the current version with the one you selected. Your newer changes won't be lost forever either, because that version also gets saved into the history, so you can always go back and forth if you need to. And that's it. From panicking over lost edits to confidently restoring any previous version in seconds. Now you know exactly how to use version history in OneDrive. Give it a try the next time you need to undo a mistake. It's one of those features that once you know it's there, it completely changes how you work with files.